Hi, are you ready to learn some new words? In this video, you will learn some words related to one base word. The base word in this video is
walk,
Here are some words related to the base word.
walked, walker, walking, walks, walkway, boardwalk, crosswalk, jaywalk.
Now learn how to use each word in a sentence.
The dog went for a walk. They walked home together. The dog walker loves dogs. They went walking in the park. The man walks with a walker. That tree-lined walkway is beautiful. She went strolling on the boardwalk. Always use the crosswalk when crossing the street. For your safety, you should never jaywalk.
If you want to continue improving your reading and writing and gain more confidence, then don't forget, subscribe.